Hey folks, the drizzle beginning to form in a lot of the valley. We're seeing some here in the mid-valley, and radar's starting to pick up on some of the heavier stuff, but there's a lot of mist out there now. And it'll probably be on and off most of the night, probably more on than off, and much of the day tomorrow we'll continue to see it. High resolution satellite picking up on some higher clouds. Underneath there's some low clouds, kind of a thin veil of gray you can just barely see there, but it's there. Upper atmosphere is really dry. It's down here at the surface where it's just thick like this. And Future Track suggests that it stays thick all night, and there's even some splotches of green going across from time to time, and they'll be with us during the daytime tomorrow, the green splotches. That means we'll continue to see that light rain and drizzle, but by Wednesday, the clouds should thin a little bit during the afternoon. We'll see a little bit of afternoon sunshine. Temperatures will warm up a little bit. Thursday, warm up a little more, and Friday looks pretty warm as well. So our cool down that started yesterday about midday will probably last until about Wednesday morning before we see a significant warm up. Look at the temperatures in a second. Tomorrow, that spotty drizzle, about a 40% probability of some rain. Drops to 20% on Wednesday, and then Thursday, I think will be dry, and even Wednesday will be mainly dry. Anything that pops up will be first thing in the morning. These are the current temperatures right now: 49 Harlingen, 50 Port Isabel, 54 in McAllen. If anything tonight, the temperatures either hold steady or maybe even go up. So your overnight lows are where we are right now for the most part. And then tomorrow, back in the low 60s. So we're looking at 5 to 10 degrees warmer than it was today. So cool, but not as cool as it was today. 73 is the norm. We go 62, 78, 84. Nowhere near the record, but certainly back above average in a hurry after spending a couple of days below the seasonal norm. Chilly air has worked its way down into Texas. 38 in Austin, same thing in Abilene right now. The front that went through here is all the way down to the south of us, but it'll move back pretty quickly as a warm front. If you watch, there it is down to the south. Drizzles with us tonight into early tomorrow, even into tomorrow night. But I think by Wednesday morning, the drizzle goes away. Warm temperatures build back in, and then we stay warm until the next front gets here. The model's coming into a little more agreement tonight that even if this front comes through Friday night, Saturday, it's not going to cool it off very much. So we're going to up the temperature forecast for Saturday. We talked about that earlier today, that may not be as cool as we were forecasting, and indeed we're going to up that forecast a little bit. In the Bay, north winds 5 to 10 knots, light chop. The UV is moderate. There are the tides. Surf temperature right now at 61 degrees. So cloudy with some light rain and drizzle around tonight. A low of 51. It's already drizzling in many places, and the temperatures really just hold steady. Then tomorrow, cloudy, chilly, spotty drizzle. Warmer than today by a little bit, but still not back up to normal. How about that? Now, look at Wednesday. We're up at 78. Thursday, 84. Friday, 79. And look at the change we made on Saturday. Earlier today, we had 57. And that's not going to happen, I don't think. I think we're more likely to be warmer than that. It's a question of how much warmer. Even the U.S. model, which brings the front through, still says we'll be in the mid to upper 60s. European model says the front doesn't get here and we stay in the 80s. So, we're kind of going down the middle. But the bottom line is it's not going to get cold Saturday, maybe just a little bit cooler.
Yeah, well, I love the cooler temperatures, but this wet stuff, not so much. That's why this weekend was great.
It was nice. It turned chillier yesterday, but today it's fine, but tomorrow a little drizzle. It goes away on Wednesday.
All right, sounds good. Thanks
Enjoy.
so much, Tim. And Joelle is up next with some basketball action for the girls' playoffs, right?